Hello everyone, this is Rohit Shankar Mane and today we are going to see pharmaceutical microbiology. Now, pharmaceutical microbiology is a branch of microbiology which deals with the study of microbes in the pharmaceutical industry. Now, let's start the video. Now, first we are going to see an overview of pharmaceutical microbiology. First, introduction, then drug safety, antimicrobial activity and assessment, methods and specifications, environmental monitoring, top pharma companies in India. Now, this will be the overview in this video. Now, let's start the video. Now, first, pharmaceutical microbiology. Now, what is pharmaceutical microbiology? So, pharmaceutical microbiology it is an applied branch of microbiology. It involves the study of microorganisms associated with the manufacture of pharmaceuticals. For example, minimizing the number of microorganisms in a process of environment, excluding microorganisms and microbial byproducts like exotoxin, endotoxin from water and other sterile materials, and ensuring the finished pharmaceutical product is sterile. Other aspects of pharmaceutical microbiology include the research and development of anti infective agents, the use of microorganisms to detect mutagenic and carcinogenic activity in prospective drugs, and the use of microorganisms in the manufacture of pharmaceutical products like insulin and human growth hormone. Now, drug safety. Now, see, the microorganisms are everywhere. For example, in the pharmaceutical industry, microbiologist is playing very important role in as far as concerned with the microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses. So, pharmaceutical industry mainly focuses on the drug safety as far as microbiologist is concerned. Now, the drug safety is a major focus of pharmaceutical microbiology. Pathogenic bacteria, fungi, and toxins produced by microorganisms are all possible contaminants of medicines, although stringent regulated processes are in the place to ensure the risk is minimal. Now, let's point is antimicrobial activity and disinfection. Now, another major focus of pharmaceutical microbiology is to determine how a product will react in cases of contamination. Now, let's see one example. If you have a bottle of cough medicine, imagine you take a lid off, pour yourself a dose, and forget to replace the lid. You come back to take your next dose and discover that you will indeed left the lid off for a few hours. What happens if the microorganisms fell in whilst the lid was off? There are tests that took at that. The product is challenged with a known amount of specific microorganisms such as E. coli, Candida albicans, and the antimicrobial activity monitored. Pharmaceutical microbiology is additionally involved with the validation of disinfectants, either according to US, OSC, or European CEN standards, to evaluate the efficacy of disinfectants in suspension on surfaces and through field trials. Field trials help to establish a frequency of the application of detergents and disinfectants. Now let's see methods and specifications. Testing of pharmaceutical products is carried out by according to a pharmacopoeia, of which there are a few types. For example, United States of Pharmacopoeia, Japanese Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, and the European Pharmacopoeia according to the countries. These contain a test method which is to be followed then testing along with defined specifications for the amount of microorganisms allowed in a given amount of product. The specifications change depending on the product type and method in which it is introduced to the body. The pharmacopoeia also covers area like sterility testing, endotoxin testing, the use of biological indicators, microbial limit testing, and enumeration and testing of pharmaceutical grade water. Next important point is environmental monitoring. The pharmaceutical microbiologists are required to assess clean rooms and controlled environments for contamination and to introduce contamination control strategies. This includes an understanding of risk assessment. The pharmaceutical sector is still in its infancy, and the utilization of risk assessment techniques to pharmaceutical production is just beginning, and the potential gains are yet to be realized. Clean rooms and zones are typically classified according to their use and confirmed by the cleanliness of the air by the measurement of particles. Clean rooms are microbiologically assisted through environmental monitoring methods. Viable monitoring is designed to detect levels of bacteria and fungi present in defined locations during a particular stage in the activity of processing and filling a product. Viable monitoring is designed to detect mesophilic microorganisms in aerobic state. Now, top pharma companies in India. Now, in this pharma company, the microbiologist can apply after their mastery degree. Now, first company Sun Pharmaceutical, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Divi's Laboratories, Cipla Pharmaceuticals, Arbindo Pharmaceuticals, Toronto Pharmaceuticals, Lupin Pharmaceuticals, Zydus Cadila Healthcare, about India, and last one Alchem Laboratories. Now these are the pharmaceutical companies popular in India, so you can work here after your graduation. If you have any question or query, you can comment or you can just mail me. Thanks a lot.